Today I'm going to be taking a look at this commercial dustpan and broom. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have two sets of poles, one for the dustpan and one for the broom head and the dustpan head. These are super easy to put together. You just screw them into each other. Once you have the poles put together and put onto the heads, these actually clip together, which is super nice for storage. I love that. And the broom handle has this nice comfort grip. Anytime we need a new broom, I have to re-explain to whoever's going to buy it what kind of broom I like. It has to be angled, the bristles need to be nice and firm, and it needs to be comfortable to hold. This checks all of those boxes, and it comes with a dustpan that has little tines so you can scrape dust bunnies and hairballs off of your broom bristles. It's also extremely easy to dump into the garbage can, no more bending over. It did take me a few tries to figure out which way the broom should go so that this stands up on its own, and I will show you that right now. When you are done with it, the broom fits inside the dustpan behind the little comb, and then you clip it into place and it stands up in a nice thin profile that you can then put right here in a corner or in a closet, which is fantastic. It also has a little hole at the top, so if you have hooks to hang your cleaning mops and brooms, you can hang it from the hook.